beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is today's makeup, today's look. A very bold and heavy lip, but at the same time fresh and modern. I tried to keep my face kind of bare. I didn't overload it with product. I've used Hourglass Ghost Lighting palette. I love it. I think it's a dream to work with. It helped me create this beautiful look. I wasn't sure what this look is gonna take me, so I changed into more festive shirt. You'll see my transformation through the video. So this look would be simple and easy and fun, and the only thing you have to worry about is just make sure that your pout is even and perfect. But other than that, you will be good to go. Please continue watching this video. Let me know how you like it and subscribe to my channel. My face is prepped. I am gonna put a little bit of rosebud moisturizer on my lips. My skin is red at the moment. Kind of feels a little bit irritated just because it is really cold outside. It is really cold outside and it is snowing and I really don't like it. But we are dealing with the season. I'll use Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector just a little bit under my eyes. Not too much, just to make myself alive. So I'm not gonna go on heavy on my skin. So I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Light Wonder in the color number 4. So this is gonna be a very light coverage. I will neutralize my redness and all I have. I'll apply concealer wherever I need to, but it is going to be pretty much it for the skin, I think. I wonder if you feel exactly like I do. Whenever the holiday season is approaching, you kind of feel like you want to go on with full-on looks like lashes and glitter and red lipstick and preferably everything at the same time. I don't know why, it's just the holidays and everything is so sparkly and so lovely, and it's just, I don't know, makes me feel like a glitter ball. So yeah, Tom Ford brush. I've been loyal to this baby since I got it. I really like it. It just does the job really nicely. Okay, nice and glowy and natural. For the concealer, I'm gonna go a bit heavier. I'll use NARS Soft Matte Concealer. The color is Light 275 Canal. I'll use Domed Shadow Brush from Real Techniques. I'm gonna just dip it in and apply it under my eyes. I do want to have a perfect base. I do want to neutralize everything that I don't like. So I don't want a heavy coverage all over my face, but I do want it perfect and even. I'm thinking of doing something dark on my lips, maybe burgundy. We'll see how that's gonna go. But for now, let's blend our concealer. Okay, I'm just concealing wherever I feel I need to. A couple spots, discoloration. I plan to use this gorgeous palette from Hourglass. This is the Ambient Ghost palette. With the Sephora Tapered Crease Brush, I am gonna powder my under eyes. Always make sure that nothing has creased. And I'll get a fluffier brush, just a tad bigger. This is my Hakuhodo powder brush. I'll blend these two colors. And I'm gonna powder my face. I'll basically powder all over, but because this powder is not super matte, it's not gonna look that I have a mask or anything. It's gonna be nice and very natural. I might end up powdering a bit more at the end, but for now, this will just do. Let's use some blush. Stila 24 brush, double-ended. Am I gonna mix? Yeah, I'll mix the two. I'm all about mixing today. I'm gonna apply my blush a little bit higher. Across my eyelids, just a touch. And with whatever is left on my forehead. With the same brush, I'm gonna go into this bronzing contour shade. And I'm just gonna give myself some color with the same brush. I don't want to look tan, but I just want to bring a little bit of color to my face. I feel like the light is always changing. That is so weird. If I'm not moving, it stays on, but when I move. Okay. Same bronzer across the eyelids again. Okay, and lastly, I'll use the highlighter shade from the palette. It's by Rosy. It's gonna be perfect for this look. And this look is gonna be, you know, like your last minute, put yourself together look. It's gonna be very easy, but I feel that these kind of looks are very important to have in your arsenal just whenever you know that you're doing, like last minute parties or last minute, I don't know, invitations, whenever you need to look really nice and presentable. This highlighter in the corners. Okay. I'll use a little bit of Urban Decay Desperation Pencil 24/7 just inside in between my top lash line. Just to give my eye a little bit more definition. If you need that this is not enough and you need extra, just give yourself a tiny little flick and extend it. If you don't have a brush on hand, it's totally fine. You can always use your fingers because this look is not about a wing. It's just about elongating your eye tiny little bit. So I'll just apply mascara. I'll go with the clumpy mascara. I'll go for Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir. It's really good mascara. It's pretty clumpy and voluminous. Exactly what I have in mind for this look. I'm very happy that I purchased the Hourglass Ghost palette and the Unlock palette. They've been so helpful. Honestly, it's just the only thing that I've been using. So convenient to have everything you need, your blush, your powder, your highlighter, and your bronzer in one palette. You can take it with you, you can travel with it, and you don't need tons of products with you. How amazing is that? And same mascara on the bottom lashes. Okay, you can put as many coats as you want, as long as your lashes are full, fat, fluffy. Just gonna blot my lips a bit. This look is gonna be one of those simple looks that you don't need a lot of skill to create, but it looks bomb. It looks fresh, modern, and it looks really good with your hair pulled back. Well, I find it so. MAC pencil, Bespoken 4 Pro Longwear Lip Pencil. I think this is the only dark pencil that I ever tried on myself. So I'm gonna outline first, and then I'll fill my lip with it. If you mess up just a little bit, don't worry, we can always clean it up with a clean concealer brush. And I feel that whenever you are outlining your lips with a darker pencil, they always look weird. But as soon as you fill them in, then the whole look in the picture and the shape of your lips comes together. So just wait it out. Don't stress right away. And let's fill it in. It could be any berry color. You don't have to go that dark. I feel like the holidays are so appropriate for the darker lip. I don't know why. Is this just me? But I kind of feel that it's not Christmas if you're not wearing dark lip. And you know that I normally don't wear a dark lip, but for some reason this is how I feel. The plan was to use MAC lipstick, but I can't find it. The thing is, you can be very sharp with this look because the whole vibe is so soft and so modern that you can leave your lips very, very structured. I don't think I want that, so I think I might go for a different look. So we'll see. What I want to apply, the lip magnet from Giorgio Armani. This color is 604. It is very dark, so we'll see. Do I want? I want it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's exactly it. These lip magnets, they're very weird. There's something in between a stain and oil and gloss. They are very comfortable to wear, but they are very weird to work with. I like that the tip of the applicator is pointy. I think it's very useful whenever you want to outline your lip, so you don't have to grab a pencil right away. Oh! I know I said that this look is going to be so simple and it's going to be your like 2 minutes out the door, but honestly, if you are fast with your liner, then it should be. It's just the whole face takes you like less than 5 minutes. It's just the lips you have to work on because they have to be perfect. Or you can be a bit messy right in the start and then clean up with the brush and concealer. Up to you. But it will create this crisp look. And if you don't want that, then you'll need to work with the pencil a little bit harder and be a little bit more precise. My lights are back and forth, back and forth. I totally don't like the idea. I'm very sorry about it, but it is what it is. Bear with me. So I just picked up the same pencil that I used before. I want to make sure that I have more defined inner corner. So I just applied just a tiny little bit more. And another thing I want to do, I want to add just a little bit of the blush onto my eyelid. Use the crease brush, crease C430 from Silk Pro. I'll go in and mix these colors and just put it right inside the crease right here. It will bring everything together because I don't want a lot on my eyes, but will give this bit of color and a little bit of sheen, which is awesome. Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish No. 2 powder, right in the center of my face. You know what? I think I'm gonna go put in my earrings. Maybe change a shirt because this is not very Christmassy. And I'll be right back. Okay, so this is my attempt on being very festive. I just did a little bit of a curling situation with my hair. I feel that this look is fresher with the hair pulled back. You can totally make them super straight and shiny, or pull them back, or make something super slick like this. I think that this is very fresh actually too. I like it. Guys, really, I think that this look is super easy. I personally prefer it with a kind of bare eye. I feel like whenever I mention my looks, all of them are super fresh. I don't know why, but I feel that this look is very feminine, but like with a little bit of, you know? I think it's awesome, and you're gonna recreate it and you're gonna tell me all about it, because this look definitely brings adventures. And let me tell you, I think this is gonna be my Christmas look because it's simple, it's easy. I'll probably won't have time to do my makeup, but this will save me. So tell me if this is gonna save you too, if you're gonna try it, wear it, love it. Let me know all about it. Guys, until next time, stay healthy, gorgeous, and beautiful. Love you all. Bye.